Welcome to the latest and very easy to apply viral marketing video training, designed to take you by the hand and walk you through the process of getting the most out of viral marketing. I'm very excited to have you here, and I know this will be very helpful for you. This exclusive video training will show you step by step, topic by topic, and tool by tool what you need to know to dominate viral marketing in the easiest way possible, using the most effective tools and in the shortest time ever. This video training is comprised of 20 HD training videos organized into 6 sections. This is exactly what you are going to learn. Section 1. Viral Marketing Basics. In videos 1 and 2, we'll talk about what viral marketing is all about and the 4 core elements of a viral marketing campaign. Section 2. Setting up your viral website. In videos 3 through 5, we'll talk about setting up your viral website with WordPress, adding must-have plugins for viral power, and enabling viral power tools in your website. Section 3. Creating your viral content. In videos 6 through 8, we'll talk about getting viral ideas before creating your first post, the anatomy of a viral post, and posting your viral content like a pro. Section 4. Going wildly viral with social media. In videos 9 through 13, we'll talk about going wildly viral with Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, Reddit, and StumbleUpon. Section 5. Converting the viral power into cash. In videos 14 through 16, we'll talk about profiting from affiliate offers, Google AdSense, and content marketing platforms. Section 6. Additional viral marketing tips to consider. In videos 17 through 20, we'll talk about 10 do's to apply, 10 don'ts to avoid, premium tools and services, and shocking case studies. Well, it's time for you to get the most out of